ladies, we're here back with another quick dinner idea. So today I am doing a TikTok inspired dinner. So I have a 1 1/4 packet of cream cheese. I already sauteed my 1/2 onion and 1/2 bell pepper. I have that sauteed. I'm gonna add some shredded cheese into this, and I'm gonna mix that up. I'll show you how that look. I baked maybe 6-7 slices of bacon, and I have that chopped up, and I'm gonna cut my chicken breast. It's like gonna be in cubes, and I will saute that in a little butter or maybe a little canola oil. I'm gonna season my breast. I'll show you how that look. But so far, these are the ingredients that I'm using, and I have my broccoli already cooked, so I'm gonna take this off the stove. So yes, this is gonna be like a chicken broccoli bake. That's what I'm gonna call it. So stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, subscribe, like, comment. Thank you. Welcome to all my new subscribers. I appreciate you subscribing to my channel. And I'm gonna put all this together, y'all, and I will show you how it turns out. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, so I'm going to add the Taco Bell 7-layer blend, and these are the cheeses that's in this mixture. I love this mixture. All right, so I added that, and I'm gonna mix this up with the bacon. Okay, so to that Taco Bell blend, I'm going to add some medium cheddar cheese. I didn't have the sharp. I would have added sharp, but I'm using what I have because, of course, TikTok made me do it. So I looked around my pantry and my refrigerator. I had just about everything I need so far. So yeah, I'm gonna add that to this mixture right here, and that's the sour cream, half of onion, half of bell pepper, and maybe 6-7 slices of bacon that I cooked and I chopped up. So I'm gonna add this and mix that up. All right, y'all, so I have 3 chicken breasts that I cut in cubes. So I'm sauteing this right now in a little oil, and I'm going to cook this on medium heat. If you cook it on high, I find that it tends to get hard, but when I cook it on medium high, your chicken will, well, at least your chicken breast will be tender. So that's what I'm going for. Okay, y'all, this is the mixture mixed up. I added just a little bit of salt. I didn't want to add any more seasoning because I have, you know, my chicken pretty seasoned. I think it's seasoned well, so I don't want to add too much seasoning because I don't want it to be salty. Okay, y'all, my chicken is done. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna drain that, set that aside, and I put a little canola oil in the bottom of my baking dish to make sure that it doesn't stick. All right, I added my broccoli. All right, y'all, so I put half of the mixture in the dish, and I added some more shredded cheese, and now I'm gonna put the rest in. Okay, this is what it's looking like. This is how the mixture ended up looking, and now I'm gonna top this with some more shredded cheese. Okay, y'all, so I put the rest of the mixture in, and I added some more shredded cheese, and I topped it with a little smoked paprika. So this is what it looks like, and this is like a small baking dish. This came in a set of 3, a large, medium, and a small, so I would give it maybe like a 12-inch size lengthwise, so to give you kind of an idea of the ingredients that I incorporated in the size dish that maybe you would need to fill it. Okay, y'all, so I put it in the oven for 30 minutes at 350, and as you can see, it's still sizzling. So I'm gonna let this sit for a little while so I can cut into it without it falling all apart. And yeah, this looks good. My first time cooking it. Like I said, TikTok made me do it. So this is gonna be my TikTok chicken and broccoli casserole. That's what I call it. All right, and this is low carb for the low carbers. And if you want to just add maybe a side of rice, a side of pasta, maybe put this on top pasta, your choice. But I'm just going to eat this as is. So I'll be back when it cools off. All right, y'all. So I let it sit for about 10 minutes. And this is what it looked like. And I cut it, and that's what it looks like in a casserole dish. It's set, so it's not running. It kept its shape. And let me go ahead and taste a little bit. My first time trying this, so I'll be honest, give you my honest opinion, because like I said, TikTok made me do it. And it's a winner. I'm not saying this just to say it. Try this recipe. If you try this recipe, leave a comment below. If TikTok ever made you do a recipe, what dish was it that you made, that you saw of TikTok, that you just had to have? All right. Thank y'all for watching my video. Don't forget to leave a comment, thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. God bless.